In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect SQLite with Power BI and import data seamlessly. This integration guide will help you visualize your data more effectively, making powerful insights more accessible. Now, without further ado, let's dive right in. To start things off, you'll want to open Power BI on your computer. If you're unfamiliar with Power BI, think of it as a robust platform that allows you to create beautiful reports and dashboards. It's user-friendly and highly effective for bringing various data sources together in one place. So make sure you have it installed and ready to go. Once Power BI is up and running, direct your attention to the Home tab. You'll notice a variety of options here, but what we're looking for is the Get Data feature. This little button is your gateway to connecting Power BI with other data sources, such as files, databases, or online services. Clicking on it will give you an abundance of options, but don't worry, we're going to focus on a specific one today. In the search field, you'll need to type ODBC. ODBC stands for Open Database Connectivity, and it's a standard API used for accessing database systems. By using an ODBC connection, you enable Power BI to communicate with your SQLite database, thereby allowing data to be transferred between the two seamlessly. Once you've typed in ODBC, you'll see the connection option appear. Go ahead and click Connect. Now, you may wonder why we're going through the ODBC route. The reason is that Power BI doesn't support SQLite directly out of the box. So using the ODBC driver fills that gap, allowing you the flexibility of working with SQLite databases effortlessly. This is a great method for those who are dealing with lightweight, serverless SQL databases. After hitting Connect, a dialog box appears, prompting you to select a data source name or DSN. If your SQLite data source is not listed, you'll first need to set up an ODBC data source name for SQLite through your operating system's ODBC data source administrator. If you've already configured it, just select the relevant DSN from the list and proceed. Once the connection is established, you'll be greeted by the navigator where you can select specific tables or even run custom SQL queries to retrieve the exact data you need. Spend some time here examining your data and ensure that everything you need is selected before loading it into Power BI. Congratulations, you're now connected. From here, you can leverage Power BI's wide array of features to create engaging reports, apply transformations, and visualize your data in ways that will inform better decision making. And there you have it, a straightforward method to connect SQLite with Power BI. Thank you for tuning in, and happy data exploring.